So look up, multiply them all by 2. Minus 2 theta. We can get that in a unit circle, can't you? 2 times this. 2 3s are 6. 6 over 4 is 6 over 4 is 3 over 2, isn't it? I can get that in a unit circle. So you have to think, what can I get on the unit circle? So that's why I'm using these fractions. Alright, so if I multiply that by 2, 2 over 2 is? So basically you get 2 pi over 2, which is 2 over 2 is? Minus pi. Right, double a quarter? Minus pi over 2, I can get that in unit circle. Double that, 2 quarters is? A half, that's pi over 2. Double that, double a half, 1. Double that, yeah, 6. 6 over 4, which is 3 over 2 pi. Double pi, and you get 2 pi. Right, so now what we do is we get the sine of minus 2 pi. So we start off here, sine minus 2 pi. This is the minus direction. Pi minus 2 pi. What's the sine? Sine is 0. Okay, so I use this value here. That's that value there. See that? I don't use this one. Right, what's the next one? Sine minus 3 pi over 2. So minus 3 pi over 2 is, we know that's minus 3 quarters. What sine at that point is? Is 1, yeah? Bit louder. So I use minus 3 pi over 4. Right, the next one. So it's the sine of minus pi. There's minus pi. What's sine? Sine is 0. So I use all these values. The next one. So we do the sine minus pi over 2. So that's minus, so that's 90 degrees, isn't it? So the sine is minus 1. And that was minus pi over 4. Right, sine is 0. Sine of 0 is 0, isn't it? The next one. The sine of a half. Oh, sorry, pi over 2. Remember, I'm using that, that's the first value. Sine of pi over 2. Sine is, shout out. A bit louder, lads, come on. 1. The next one. I'll just finish it and then you can ask your question. Sine of pi.
0.
The next one. Sine of 3 pi over 2. 3 pi over 2. The sine is minus 1. And the next one. Sine of 2 pi. 1 pi, 2 pi. Sine of 2 pi is 0. Alright. So then we have to plot this on the graph. So this is my graph. So we have to multiply by 3, don't we?
Yeah.
So we have to multiply by 3 here now. So so we'll anything that multiply these by 3. Instead of 1 you get 3. Instead of minus 1 you get minus 3. Instead of 1 you get 3. Instead of minus 1 you get 3. So that's the points on the graph. So I'll tell you what, I'll just leave them as 1s. Multiplied by 3 is, so 0, 3, 0, minus 3, 0, 3, 0, minus 3, 0. These are the points of my graph. You see that? So I plot the points of my graph. If I put them there. So minus pi, 0, the first one. Minus 3 pi over 4, 3. Minus 3 pi over 4, 3. Minus pi over 2, 0. Right, minus pi, minus 3. Minus pi over 4, minus 3. The next one, 0, 0. And you can see a bit of a pattern emerging. Pi over 4 is 3. pi over 2, 0. 3 pi over 4, minus 3, and pi is equal to 0. So that's my graph. Sorry, I missed it there. Up to there. Okay. So that's y is equal to 3 sine 2 theta. Sorry, what was your